So get yourself some disposable sheet masks for the face. You can usually get a pack of around 100 for around £10. Obviously check the country that you're in and the currency that you'll use as well. These can then be saturated with whatever product that we create. Now, in one of my recent videos, I showed you how to create a very powerful home skincare using niacinamide, and that's what we're going to do here. What you need to do is the following. So what you need, is the following. So niacinamide powder, I like the ordinary because it's filtered quite finely and also very cheap, and some saline, which is like the body's equivalent of water, if you haven't heard of it or don't know what it is. Now, saline is a salt water that's 0.9% concentration. In the previous video, a couple of you said, well, that's wrong, and we could just use normal water and add the niacinamide at 0.9% concentration to make the solution isotonic. However, the issue with that is that niacinamide contributes very little to osmotic pressure and skincare concentrations, that are around, say, 2 to 5%. This is why you need saline. So what you do is you mix up roughly 5 grams of niacinamide for every 100 ml of saline, or if you don't want to make as much in one go, you could do 1 gram of niacinamide powder in 20 ml of saline and simply submerge the sheet mask in the solution for around 2 minutes to ensure that it's fully saturated. And once it's fully saturated, you can lift it out of the solution, let the excess liquid just drip back out, and then apply it to a clean face for around 10 minutes. Don't forget to squeeze out the excess air bubbles when you place it on your face as well. Now, for a boost in absorption, by the way, try this. When you place the mask into the solution for 2 minutes, grab yourself a 0.2 ml dermaroller and roll it all over the face to create temporary and tiny punctures into the skin that will allow much more product to go inside. 0.2 ml is very small and it doesn't breach the dermo-epidermal junction, so there's no wound healing triggered. Now, please understand that microneedling isn't for everyone and there are contraindications to it. So, please have a consultation either with myself or someone else before you do it. I have multiple videos about microneedling on my channel too, so if you want to learn the technique to do it safely, it's available for free here. In fact, one of my recent videos is possibly one of the biggest microneedling guides on YouTube I've made. I'll see if I can link it in the description below, but it's easy to find. Also, if you guys have sources of where to buy these things, like the masks or the saline, please do post links below for the country that you're in, and viewers from each country can have somewhere to find these things.